Good morning students. Welcome again to the math online class. Today we will be doing the next exercise which is based on the story problems for subtraction of length. Why we will be doing the story problems based on subtraction, as we have done in our yesterday's video, how to subtract the length units by arranging in columns. Hope you all have seen the video and done the work in your math notebook. Children, since the PT2 is going on, so it's my humble request from everyone, please do the work given to you in the time allotted, that is between 10 to 11, since it is your classwork. No homework is this. Whatever work we are doing in here is your classwork. And one question which I gave you people for doing, that is the question for practice, to understand whether you have understood the concept by watching the video. So let's begin, children. And while doing these story problems, we will be revising also what we have done yesterday. What we have done yesterday, the subtraction, that we will be revising it when we will be doing the operation for the problems given. So let's begin, children. There are total 5 questions in the exercise 10E. One by one we will be understanding what is being said in this question. Then we will be solving it by writing the statements. Okay. So the first question says, a roll contains this much length of rope. If this much of the rope is used, then what length of the rope is left behind? This is the first problem which is given to you. Now in this problem, children, the question is talking about rope. What is a rope, children? Rope, what we use for going up, it is used for climbing. So rope is there and a roll of rope is there with you. If I talk about roll of rope means number of coils are there in that rope. Like this, a rope is there, a bundle of rope is there, and the length of this rope is given as 86 meter 35 centimeter. From this length of rope, I have used this much rope. Let us assume that this length of rope, what I have used, is this much. From this roll of rope, I have used this much. Now after using this much rope, from this roll, how much is left in it? How much is left behind, that you have to find. How much is left behind means how much is remaining now. Okay? I can show you this with an action, children. If this much of rope is there, okay? This is the total roll of rope I am having. From this much roll of rope, I have used this much. From this much, we have used this much. So now your question says that after using this much of rope, how much is left now? So for that reason, what we will do, since we have to find out that how much is remaining, that means whatever I have used, I have to take that out from the roll of rope. Okay. So for that reason, when we are taking out something, we are going with the operation of subtraction. This I am telling you from the very first chapter, the second chapter, subtraction, what we have done. From that only I am explaining you, children, when we do subtraction, when we do addition, when we do multiplication, and when we do division. Don't ratify the question. Ratify the question words means that if left is there, it does not mean that you will do subtraction. If total is there, it does not mean that you will do addition. Total also means for multiplication. Okay. Remaining portion, if we talk about, it is also going for division. So there is no any fixed word to understand what we will be doing in the question or what arithmetic operation we should use for it. The only method to understand is to read and understand what is being said in the question and then to decide what operation you are going to use here. So now what we will do is, we will be first writing the statement, which is the most important part of doing the story problems. The first part what I will be writing is the length of the roll 35 centimeter. Then from this, what is the length? What is to be used? Length of rope used. I have used some length. That length is this much, 37 meter 72 centimeter. After this, they are asking, so the length of portion or of rope left behind is, you first arrange in column. After arranging in column, you can do the subtraction. So first write the unit meter and centimeter. After that write the number 86 meter 35 centimeter. Then you will be writing in 37 in the meter one. Then write in the centimeter column as 72. Then do the operation subtraction. For that, take the borrow from the centimeter column. This becomes here, no need of taking the borrow. So for that, write 3 here. 3 is less than 7. Take the borrow from this, becomes 13. 6 here. Now 5 and 7 cannot be subtracted. So take the borrow. This becomes 15. 8 and here you have 4. So this is the length of the rope left. Okay children, this is how you will find the length of the rope left. Now this next question says the distance between two towns is this much. A bus has covered this much distance. How much distance is left to be covered? This question is question number 2. The distance between two towns is given children. Second question, town A is there and B. Let's take this as town A and town B. Distance between these two towns is given as 682 kilometer 800 meter. Okay. Now this distance is covered by a bus first. Now this bus is covering this much kilometer. This much is still left. This much kilometer of the distance is covered by the bus. And what is the distance covered by bus? It is 391 kilometer and 282 meter. So now you have to find out this length, whatever is left, is how much. This is what we have to do in this question. So what we will do first, we will be first this much total distance is there. Bus has covered this much distance. Now this is left. This is to be covered. Now what is the distance what is to be covered, that we will find. So again what we will do, we are going to find out the remaining distance what is left. So for that reason we will do which operation? Subtraction. Okay children. So what will be the first sentence? Total distance between the two towns. Distance between two towns is, you will be writing this. Then distance covered by bus. How much is it? 391 kilometer, 282 meter. Then, so the distance left to be covered. What we will do? We will do the subtraction, and this subtraction we will be doing by arranging in column. Write the units. Okay. Then arrange the numbers. 682, 800 meter. Then 193, and here we will write 282. After that, do the subtraction. When we are doing the subtraction, you will be taking the borrow. This borrow will be taken from, we will be taking from here. Since 0 cannot give the borrow, so you will take from the neighbor digit. this become 8, 1, 5, 1. This is how you will do the subtraction, children, by taking the borrow. And once you have done the subtraction, write down the units. Okay, this is how you will do the subtraction for the numbers given. After that, you have question number 3. And in question number 3, you have Mohan jogs this much in the morning and this much in the evening. How much more does he jog in the morning? Two distance covered in 2 times is given. One is of the morning and the other one is of the evening. Between the two distance, what is given, which one is more, that you have to tell, and how much it is more, we will find out. Clear, children? Let's take one example for understanding it better. I am having 10 chocolates with me and my friend has 15 chocolates. Okay? Who has more chocolates? My friend, obviously, he is having or she is having more chocolates. Now my question is, how much more chocolate my friend is having? This you have to tell me. I am having 10, my friend has 15. Who has more? My friend. How much more he is having or she is having? That is 5. And how did we find it? By subtracting the bigger by the smaller. Okay? The bigger by the smaller. So, this is what we have to do. Then, the question says 7 kilometer 600 meter. This is the distance in morning. Okay, now in the morning you have this much, 7 kilometer and 600 meter. So for that, children, first I will be making the diagram, and then by that we will be able to understand more better. In the morning, distance covered. In the morning, distance covered is 7 kilometer 600 meter. Then in the evening, this is the morning timing, and now in the evening when the sun has set down, at that time it is 5 kilometer 212 meter. Now children, from the question you can see that this is the more distance to be covered. 7 kilometer is more than 5 kilometer. This too we can find out by looking at the distance. Now how much it is more, that we will be finding out by subtracting. Okay. So you will be writing distance covered in the morning, whatever the distance, this is the distance, so right here 7 kilometer 600 meter. Then we have distance covered in the evening. How much it is? It is 5 kilometer 202 meter. Then so more distance is covered in morning, and by how much it is? By that I will find by arranging in column. 7 kilometer here, 600 here, 5 kilometer here, 212 here. Now do the subtraction and get the answer. Now subtraction I will not do, children. This is your work. You will be doing on your own. Now question number 4 says, if a wire is this much long and this much of it is used for fencing, how much length of the wire is left? This is based on the first question only, where I have told you a roll of rope is there. Here you have a wire which is this much long. From this much I have used. How much is left? Again you will write total length of the wire, then length of wire used for fencing, and do the subtraction. How you will do the subtraction, children? You will make the column of meter and centimeter. 58. This is the fourth one. 20 here. And how much is used? 36 meter is used. So write in the column of meter, and here you write 0, 0. And do the subtraction. This is how you will do in question number 4. Now question number 5 says, a tree is this much tall. Okay. Upper part of the tree is broken by the strong wind, and the remaining part is this. What is the length of the broken part? Question 5 says, children, this is the tree. Okay, this much tall is the tree. Tall, you know, tall is the height. How much is the height? This is the height of the tree. Now, after the strong wind, the tree part is broken. Okay, when it has broken, this much part has fallen down. So after falling down, this much is left and this part has gone. Okay, did you understand the question, children? The question says, when the strong wind has come, at that time the upper part of the tree has broken, and after breaking only this much part is left. And the part what is left is 3 meter. This is 3 meter 87 centimeter. Now the question is asking you to find out the height of the upper part. This we have to find. From this bigger, this is given, this part is given to you. You have to find this part. Okay, so what you will be doing is, first you will write height of tree is 12 meter 25 centimeter. Height of left part is 3 meter 87 centimeter. So height of the broken part will be, first write down meter and centimeter, 12 here, 25 here, 3 here, 87 here. Do the subtraction and find out the length of the broken part. So children, we have done till question number 5. I have asked you to write down the solution of question number 4 on your own, that is the statement. Watch the video for better understanding, children. Complete your work in the allotted time. Do well, children, for your PT2 exam. Today is your PT2 exam, so do well. Write the questions or don't write the questions. Write the answers neatly with the proper gap. Best of luck for your PT2 exam, children. Thank you and have a nice day.